are, Gideon.
What are you? How do you know my name?
Oh, I know lots of things. Hey, look what I can do. DRT, for you, kid.
You're insane!
Sure I am. What's your point?
Listen to me, Damon! I have a job for you! I need you to enter the mine of Stanford Pines and steal the code to a safe.
Wait. Stanford Pines. You know what, kid? You convinced me. I'm sold. I'll help you with this, and in return, you can help me with something I've been working on. We'll work out the details later.
Deal.
Well, time to invade Stan's mind. This should be fun. Remember, reality is an illusion. The universe is a hologram. Bye, gold. Bye!